हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मिस्टर वैभव भोसले प्रेजेंट नर्सिंग ज्ञान। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं ह्यूमन वर्टिब्रल कॉलम एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के रिलेटेड 20 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ विच इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जाम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी vertebrae are there in the human vertebral column? Options are 26, 30, 33 and 36. And the correct answer is option C, 33. The human vertebral column consists of 33 vertebrae, but in adult some fuse and forming 26 bones. So the correct answer is option C. Second question, which region of vertebral column has the most vertebra? Options are cervical, thoracic, lumbar and sacral. And the correct answer is option B, thoracic. Because thoracic region has 12 vertebrae more than cervical, it has 7 and lumbar has 5. So correct answer is option B, thoracic region. Question number 3, which part of vertebral column supports the skull? Options are lumbar, thoracic, cervical and sacral. And the correct answer is option C, cervical region. It has 7 vertebrae which support the skull and allows the head movement. So the correct answer is option C, cervical region. Question number 4, which vertebra is also called as atlas? Options are C1, C2, T1 and L1. And the correct answer is option A, C1. It is the first cervical vertebra which is called as C1 and it is also called as atlas which supports the skull. So the correct answer is option A, C1. Question number 5, which vertebra is called as axis? So options are C1, C2, T2 and L2. And the correct answer is option B, C2. The second cervical vertebra, C2, it is also called as axis which allowing the head rotation. So the correct answer is option B, C2. Question number 6, how many lumbar vertebrae are there in the human body? Options are 3, 5, 7 and 12. And the correct answer is option B, 5. The lumbar region contains 5 vertebrae, providing the strong support for the lower back. So the correct answer is option B, 5. Next question, which vertebra fuse to form the sacrum? Options are lumbar, thoracic, cervical and sacral. And the correct answer is option D, sacral. 5 sacral vertebrae fuse to form the sacrum bone in adults. So the correct answer is option D, sacral. Question number 8, what is the function of intervertebral disc? Options are protect the spinal cord, absorb the shock and provide the flexibility, support the skull and none of the above. And the correct answer is absorb the shock and provide the flexibility, because intervertebral discs cushion the vertebra which prevent the friction and absorbing the impact. Question number 9, which part of vertebral column bears the most weight of body? Option cervical, thoracic, lumbar and sacral. And the correct answer is option C, lumbar. The lumbar region support the most of body's weight, leading to the higher risk of injury. So the correct answer is option C. Next question, which structure protect the spinal cord? And the options ribs, skull, vertebral column and clavicle. And the correct approximate answer is option C, vertebral column. Vertebral column incises and protect the spinal cord from injury. Question number 11, what is the function of spinal cord? Options are pumping blood, transmitting nerve signal, digesting food, producing RBCs, red blood cell. And the correct answer is option B, transmitting the nerve signals. Spinal cord transmit the signals between the brain and the body. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 12, which nerve Which nervous system includes the spinal cord? Options are peripheral, central, autonomic and somatic. And the correct answer is option B, central nervous system. The spinal cord and brain forms the central nervous system, CNS. So the correct answer is option B. Next question, which layer surrounds and protects the spinal cord? Options are meninges, pericardium, endothelium and epidermis. And the correct answer is option A, meninges. Meninges are three protective layers surrounding the spinal cord and brain. So the correct answer is option A. The next question, what is the name of spinal cord's lowest part? Options, cervical enlargement, conus medullaris, thoracic expansion and medulla oblongata. Correct answer is conus medullaris because the conus medullaris is the tapered end of spinal cord. So this is the lowest part. So the correct answer is option B. Which part of spinal cord carries the motor command from the brain? Option, dorsal root, ventral root, central canal and white matter. And the correct answer is option B, ventral root, because it carries the motor signal from the brain to the body. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 16. Which spinal nerve is responsible for breathing? Options, phrenic nerve, sciatic nerve, median nerve and ulnar nerve. And the correct answer is option A, phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve controls the diaphragm, which is essential for breathing. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 17. What happens when spinal cord is damaged? Options, nothing, then memory loss, paralysis and loss of sensation and faster reflexes. And the correct answer is option C, paralysis and loss of sensation. Spinal cord injury can cause the paralysis and disrupt the nerve communication. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 18. What is the cauda equina? Option, a part of brain, nerve root at the lower spinal cord, a type of bone and a blood vessel. And the correct answer is nerve root at the lower spinal cord. Cauda equina is a bundle of nerve roots at the lower end of spinal cord. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 19. How many pairs of spinal nerve are there in the human body? Option, 12, 21, 31, 42. And the correct answer is option C, 31. The spinal cord has 31 pair of spinal nerves which controlling the body functions. So correct answer is option C. Last question, which spinal cord region controls the arms? And the option, cervical, thoracic, lumbar and sacral. And the correct answer is option A, cervical. Cervical spinal nerve control the arms and upper body movement. So the correct answer is option A. And here we completed the 20 most important MCQ, which is also important for exam. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel Mr. Vaibhav Bhosale Present Nursing and stay tuned for the next important videos.